Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to create a simple festival look which you can also do in coming festivals. Hope you will like this video, and without wasting any more time, let's jump into the details. So before doing any makeup, you need to first clean up your face. So I washed my face. Let's begin with a primer, and for primer I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. So I need to look at the mirror. So I am using primer. Nose area moi lagaisu. The primer makes your skin ready for foundation. Skin on jodi large pores thake, large pores belai e blur out kore, he karone moi eta Blur Perfect use korisu. Primer eblak portion on besi use koribo lage jot oil production besi hoy, because primer oil production to bahut khini loika komai rakhe. So now I am done with my primer. Next I'll be using concealer, and for concealer I am using Miss Claire in the shade 4 Beige. I am using my middle finger, dip it here, and apply under eyes, like this. Okay, for smooth blending, I am using a beauty blender from Color Bar. For proper blending, you need to damp the beauty blender first. Beauty blender to jetia titi thakibo tetia e best work kore. So I am spraying a little bit of face mist here. This is Plum Face Mist. So you need to dab it, okay, not drag. If you like this video so far, then please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So after concealer, I am using foundation, and for foundation, I am using Sugar Drop the Base Serum Foundation. Here, this is the bottle. See. Okay, before applying it, you need to shake it well because it's a liquid foundation. Your application to bahut besi bhal hoy because yat eta dropper ahe logot. See, like this. 2 drops, and that's enough. So first moi eneke lagai lesu foundation to with the help of my finger, and after this I am using this same beauty blender. You need to dab it, not drag it. So I am done my foundation. Aru eta moi foundation to set karim with setting powder, and for setting powder I am using this LA Girl Pro High Definition Setting Powder. So first you need to open this, and I will take little bit of powder, like this. Aru under eyes on apply karim. Setting powder makes the foundation smooth. That's why ami setting powder use koribo lage, especially under eyes jate under eyes crease nopore. And I am done. So now moi mo foundation to olop homo karone set hobole dim, aru foundation to set hoy mane moi mor eye makeup to complete korilom. Now I am going to do my eye makeup, aru eye makeup or karone moi duta product use korim. Eta hoise eyeliner, yes, aru eta hoise false eyelashes. So I have already done my eyeliner, and for eyeliner I have used this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. And next I am going to use these false eyelashes. So false eyelashes makes the eyes very gorgeous. That's why I am going to use this. So if you want to know how to apply false eyelashes, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will do a separate video. So I am done with my eyelashes. See. Next I am going to do my eyebrows with this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. So I am done with my eyebrows. Okay, I am almost done. Aru eta kam koribo baki ase, etu hoise I am using this highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild. So highlighter ki kore apnalokor okonman skin to glow provide kore. So I am going to use this now. See, dekhibole enekwa. Aru moi brush use nokoru, moi more fingers use korim like this. See, can you see it? Can you see the glow? And little bit on the nose. যেতিয়া হাই পোৰ্শনছ বিলাকত পোহৰ পৰিব তেতিয়া এইবিলাক গ্লো কৰিব like this see now for lipstick I'm going to use MAC retro matte liquid lip color so my lips are tinted right now because মই এটা tinted lip balm use কৰি আছো তাৰ ওপৰত এতিয়া মই এটো use কৰিম So I am done with my makeup. Last eta bostu use koribola hoise eto hoise this is makeup fixer. This is from MAC Fixed Rose. All of bokade hukabole dim aru moi ready hoy ahu final look to karone. So guys, this is my final look. If you like this is a simple basic festival look. If you like this video then please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like. So thank you so much, bye bye. Click on the subscribe button, also press the bell icon and select all.